Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of Google Chrome, it has been updated today. We are back to the weekly security updates. So just go into your Google Chrome browser, into the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, and go down to Help and About Google Chrome. You will be updated to 119.0.6045.199 or .200 on Windows. It's .199 on Mac and on Linux. So this is the security update for this week. It contains 7 security fixes. So they are, for the most part, high severity, all of them. Not critical, but high severity. There's a type confusion in the spell checker. There's a problem with Mojo, which is one of the engines inside Chromium. There's a problem after web audio, out of bounds memory access in a library. So and they have more than one flaw with this. So this means that it's a lot of high severity flaws that need to be fixed. High severity means that they're fairly easy to exploit, but they are not known, so they are kept secret, even though we know that they are talked about here. There's an integer overflow also that is in there. And so basically 7 high severity flaws that need to be fixed if you want to stay safe. I say it all the time, and that's the biggest way to stay safe. Update your software with the latest security updates they have, Windows, and in this case, the browser. Browser particularly because it is your first line of defense. You go on the web, it actually is what is surfing the web, so all the code from the internet comes in here. So that's why you need to actually make sure you update. Don't forget that if you use another browser that is Chromium based, which is pretty much every browser except Firefox, so that includes Brave, that includes Opera, that includes Vivaldi, that includes Edge, you will in the next few days receive a security update also, because you will have these security flaws, high severity security flaws also on those browsers. So update your Google Chrome browser to stay safe, as this is what we got this week in security updates. We didn't have any last week, so it's been 2 weeks since we had the last ones. So today, November 28th. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.